mag-video kay Nata.
Lagi, Sir Glenn, di ba ba yung mga bukata si Sir Glenn? Asa Sir Glenn? Sir Glenn!
Darating ang Kapaskuhan. Everybody! Ang Christmas photos at inaasahan. Sa pagkakunan niyang pinagtatrabahuan. Tunay na rin ito kailangan.
Maybe the dream wasn't just about the past. It reminded us of how far we've come through. Christmas isn't just about the gifts, it's about creating the love and magic together.